Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering parts. You need to know whether the drive is NVMe, SATA, or a pre-built external SSD, because interface determines speed and adapter choice. Plug the SSD into its enclosure or attach the cable. Once done, connect to the appropriate PC port, USB-C or Thunderbolt if available, so you get full throughput. Make sure the PC is on if it supports hot plugging. Otherwise, power down, connect. Then boot to let firmware detect the device. Once the OS sees the drive, open Disk Management on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac to initialize it. Choose GPT for UEFI systems or MBR only if you need legacy compatibility. This matters because partition style affects booting and multi-OS access. Create a partition and format. Pick NTFS for Windows only, XFAT for Windows and Mac sharing, or apps for Mac native performance. Allocate cluster size and label the volume. Then assign a drive letter or mount point so applications can access it immediately. To finish, optimize the drive. Enable trim when supported and confirm the OS treats it as an SSD so it uses proper caching and wear leveling. This preserves performance long-term. Run a quick benchmark and smart check to verify speeds and health, and copy a sample file to confirm throughput. When done, always eject safely. If you hit problems, drive not showing or slow, reconnect with another cable, update drivers, and rerun diagnostics. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.